Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dating Chocolates. Yeah, so today you guys will be seeing what I do on a daily basis. So me never know somebody forgot school today for one exam. So me never did know. So I'm gonna go on our VLE and since I have exam today. So now I go to school. Also, Josh and D. I don't know I love Josh and D. Well, I don't really talk about her on my channel like that. But if you are on my Instagram or my TikTok, you know I love Josh and D. So she'll be on campus today. So a win is a win. I wasn't supposed to be on campus because I don't have the class, but I have exam and I was supposed to go because she's gonna be there. So a win is a win, right? So I'll be seeing her today. I have exam 6 to 7. Now is 11:05 or so, but I'm going early so that I can study with my classmates. And I'm tired, but this is the fit. And yeah, let's go.
You will hear terms like call to action, value added, proposition, and oftentimes the value added is yourself. And I say that to say, when I was here, I had a mentor, and I was still employed. I was working full-time, coming to you with full-time, and I was working in customer service at Digital. But
the dean was like, wow. At that point, I never know for the Africa. All my other friends still in school, so how me I end up dropping? Why me I could be the one example we got to figure use now? Honest to God, I don't know. So I went to my dean, we were talking, she was like, okay, I realize that you're getting an A in philosophy. Is it that you like that course? And I was like, yeah, it's okay. It was manageable, it was easy for me. But everything else was, yeah, right? So I was failing. So I ended up switching my major my second year of UA, and I switched to philosophy. So not only now I would have a humanities degree, but philosophy is probably one of those degrees that, what are you going to do with philosophy? It's worse than the rest in my opinion. At least with the others, people can say, all right then, she'll overcarry me. She'll overcarry me. She'll do this, she'll literature. With philosophy, people don't even know what philosophy is. People oftentimes say, oh yeah, you do psychology. I'm like, no, I do philosophy. And they keep saying, yeah, as a psychology major. I'm like, no, I don't do psychology, but at this point I just stopped. So I do psychology, but I really don't.
So that's Josh Andy. I didn't get to meet her because I have an exam in an hour and I need to study some things that I haven't revised as yet. I already ate something and I did not show you, but I'm going to show you like where I got it from. I got it from Nardo's. No shit, not Nardo's. So I was telling you that I got food from Bizav, not Nardo's. So now me I walk around with my laptop because I have exam within half an hour. I don't know what to do. So see me there with my laptop. My friend them back at me like moments. My phone look clearer than ever. How I go on? My upgrade. It's about 20 minutes to 6 o'clock. And I'm not studying up yet. I'm just there. I'm gonna look something to eat. I'm gonna make hunger kill me off. Never. God, Nardo's. Not me eating this mess. So guys, we finished exam. Everybody out the door. So exam is finished and now I'm heading home, but I'm going to stop and get something to eat. It's a beautiful day to do a natural hair treatment. So I'm using egg with some herbal oils, and also I'll be using honey. So watch me treat my hair, and you guys can go ahead and use these methods. So this has been in my ear from 8:18, and now it's 10:01. I'm going to wait until 10:18. Yeah, it's, I don't believe it's steaming like how I want it to steam, because I usually like go in the sun so I can feel the heat and everything. But I'm just here doing some schoolwork as per usual. And I'm going to go to my high school because I heard I got a prize at prize giving yesterday, and they did not call me. Don't mind the yellow thing, it's just the egg. Anyway, so I'm going to bathe and brush my teeth and wash my hair. I need to reach up there by 12 o'clock. So I basically have 2 hours to get everything done. I know that's not enough time, but my school is not far from where I'm at right now. It's about like 5 minutes away. Yeah, so I have a lot of assignments, but at the end of the day, I know I got to get everything done, because basically next week I need to get everything out of the way before next week Wednesday, because after that it's exam times, orals, everything, and I cannot afford to be failing. I cannot. Yesterday, the exam, let me give you to be honest, I did not study. I did not know that we are getting exams. I went on the page and see that I have exam 6 to 7. So I called up one of my brother, text in the group saying that, but I didn't know so the exam are going. Because when I was on the online class, I wasn't really listening. Guys, I hate online schooling. I hate it. I don't hear what she say. Sometimes the internet are gone. Sometimes I'm just distracted. So I don't really listen, to be honest, on an online class, unless it's a very intriguing topic or interesting topic where I know that I basically know this already. So I'm just gonna just go and make nice, go and talk to the teacher, go and ask her some questions. But if it's something that is boring, you're really not gonna get my attention, especially for online. If it's in class, me gonna, like, my thing, how I learn is if I'm looking at the teacher, like I'm seeing the words coming out of her mouth. That's how I learn. Me I feel look upon her. So like, I don't know if it's creepy for some of the teachers, because one of my teachers, she was like, Makhalia, why you always looking at my mouth? And I said, miss, if me don't look in your mouth, me don't hear nothing. You know, like some people can write and I listen to teacher, me can't do that. My focus cannot be on too many things at once, especially when it comes to school. I have to be engaged in one thing, listening to the teacher, and then she say, all right, right, and then me write, and then me say, wait, me something me done, cause me now got hear nothing what she say. So it was a case like that, because they said they mentioned it in online class. I never done listen, to be honest. And the exam, it wasn't hard enough. That's if I got the opportunity to study good, I could have passed that. But 50 is the pass mark at UWI. So I guess I met the pass mark, I guess. I don't know. But I feel very bad. Yesterday I was grumpy because I'm like, I can't believe I feel like I failed the exam. But anyways, God be with that exam. It's now 5 minutes past 10. I'm gonna find something due until 10:18, and then I'm going to bed and brush my teeth and wash my hair. So yeah, I have one of these. So I'm going to just massage the it's in my head. Then I'm going to just bathe and do everything that I'm supposed to do and just get out of here before 3 o'clock. So yes, it's not nothing too extra, nothing too much. Sneakers, knickers, pants, t-shirts, nice little accessory, bag on my back, cause suppose I go for the school and them say, where you talk about? Cause I'm a student tell me, you know, them say your name call certificate. So suppose them say, I don't know where you talk about. That's shame that kill me. So anyways, I'm heading to tavern. When I come back, I'm gonna cook some mackerel and rice. Because our mackerel and fritters. Because I'm not really eating nothing from morning. I sure know what I eat. But it eat sweet and sour chicken and watch for it. And boiled breadfruits and boiled dumplings and something. I tell you about my time lace. Soon come to you. That's scary.
There are more in here too. Hi guys! What you want?
So guys, we're going to go part lunch and I send my little refugee. Can I kiss me? Win for the free part food. Antoine, who is the cutest girl on the 6th round block?
The girl, what is her name? Shanna.
She named Shannon?
Shanna.
Alright. Prettiest girl on the 6th round block. Come now.
I can't answer.
Say it now.
I believe in individual.
Chinese say guys, Chinese say.
Mike too?
Yeah, who's the prettiest girl on the 6th round block? Brittany? Alright. Guys, after all that chaos, I went to the vice principal's office to collect the certificate. I got a certificate because I was placed first in law unit 1. Heading home now. I got everything that I want. Not really everything coming in one. They want me reports. Some people in front of me. You ready? Hear them now? Share the YouTube video now. Where's she there? She gone. I'm gonna put the girl on the channel because she was like, this is Jacqueline. So I was going to put her on the channel, but I'm showing it in front of me. On the channel. Come on, hi.
Hi.
See yourself on the channel.
Oh,
She free.
what do you record? Guys, it's the YouTube guys.
Hi guys, so because I started late yesterday, it's still in the 24 hours. So these clips of me going to gym is not yesterday. It was not yesterday. It was like a while ago, and I was supposed to install it into my YouTube video, but I did not get the chance to. But now you guys can see Kayla and I going to the gym. So watch, like, comment, and subscribe.
Push it up with your feet. Push it up. Go up, good. Up more, come on. Yeah, yeah.
So it is evident that I was trying so hard, and the trainer, he was so amazing. He was very encouraging. He was like, go get it, you can do this, you can do this. Yeah, I was trying a lot of new things that I never had tried before. You can check out this gym. It's on the field of Yui. Yeah, don't Yui field. I don't remember the trainer's name. I'm so sorry, but it was such a good experience. Yeah, you guys can go and check it out.
What you looking at? Yeah. What you just said?
That's good for it.
Come. You have to stand up and move around with her now. Stop the $1,500. Move it over, slide it over.
Oh, slide over this.
One minute. Leave it. I'm gonna make it short so it doesn't slide over. Go all the way over. Move.
Like a handicap.
Say hi to the vlog.
Straighten your leg out. Yeah.
Hot man.
How much is that? Where you feeling that? Where you feeling that?
Eh?
Where do you feel it at?
Yes, bye.
Now turn on your side now and do that one. Stay. Now turn this way sideways. Alright? Make sure you feel. Go ahead now. Up and down. Where you feel it at?
Right in here.
Exactly. I was tired looking at dimples. You know, some people get other thing and it look like that. Stay exactly on your side. Go.
Oh, so your foot. So put it up?
Nah, your feet supposed to be sideways. You stay completely on your side.
That's what I said.
You're not gonna do that. Come here. Come down a little bit more. Stay exactly on your side. Like this. Move like this. I want you on your side. Your body stay completely on your side. Now push. Control it. Where you feel that? You feel
Let me see.
in your side?
You're right, yeah. Maybe I'm not comfortable. Alright.
Lay down on your side.
I feel it right now.
No, you're not gonna feel it there.
I'm not give up. Try.
And I said lay on your side, right? Your shoulder on the mat.
Ah! You never tell me that.
Look
Yeah,
want to use the other foot?
Woo! You can do it.
Okay.
Let's go.
You're supposed to go down a bit more and come. Exactly. Your knee supposed to come, like come towards your chest. Like that. Come down and go straight up. So you need to go down a little bit more. Alright, stop. Do the other one. Make the other one get a little taste of it. Come on. Say it.
The gym and a boy!
Control it. Control it. Everything you do, I'm glad. Let me try to do it.
Oh, shush.
You
You
can stop.
didn't like
No,
your
that's all right. You want to go through that now? You can stop our video now. You can't let the video.
No buttocks.
Okay. So all right?
Can I try?
Huh?
Can I try?
Well, how much you trying to rent?
Rent? Well, 50,000.